Sometimes when you're working in QGIS, you'll want to create a choropleth map which maps values, but you might not actually have that value in a column. So an example of that would be if I want to map population density, but I don't have a density value in one of my columns. On my screen, I have a layer for United Kingdom, local government districts, and I've got a population column, and I have a land area column in square kilometres, but I don't have a population density column. So how do I map it? Well, it's really quite straightforward. We do the calculation in the symbology section, like this. I'll double click the layer, I'll go to symbology, and then graduated. And instead of using the value drop down to choose one of the columns we already have, I'll click on the expression button, and as long as I remember that population density is number of people divided by land area, we can do the calculation. So if I expand my fields and values section, and I'll put in population divided by my land square kilometre variable. Actually, I'll use the total square kilometre. I think that's the one I wanted. There we go. And click OK. I'll choose a different colour ramp. Let's just choose this one and click classify and apply. We have population density. Obviously I can change the styling if I want to, but that's how we map a field, or in this case, how we map a value that isn't in one of our attribute table fields. Really straightforward to do, and then of course you can change the classification and do all sorts of other things, change the mode and so on. But that's how you do it. Let's change it back to this. It's just click the expression button and you do your calculation there, and it comes from the fields and values in your dataset.